Hola mis estudiantes, hoy vamos a hablar sobre el examen de AP y las unidades que están en el examen ahora. First of all, the AP exam typically has six units that goes with it. Because of all the things that are happening in the shortened exam, College Board has said that they are only going to cover units 1 through 4. So today I'm going to go over the contents of those units with you, and from here on out, I'm going to focus only on those topics through various activities, so that way you are prepared with information about all of those topics before the exam happens in May. So within each unit there are topics, and then there are subtopics that go within those topics. So I'm going to talk through each one of those. So the first unit is families and different societies. So it's going to cover 4 different things. The first one is las familias y las comunidades, and within that you're going to talk about las tradiciones y los valores, la estructura de la familia, las redes sociales. Another topic is then going to be las identidades personales y públicas, las creencias personales, los intereses personales, y la autoestima. The third topic within this unit is la vida contemporánea, and that's going to cover relaciones personales, las tradiciones y los valores sociales, la educación y las carreras profesionales. And then the final topic that they're going to cover is los desafíos mundiales, and within that talk about los temas económicos y el bienestar social. The second unit is going to cover the influence of language and culture on identity. Again, there are 4 topics within this unit. The first one is las identidades personales y públicas, and within that topic they're going to talk about las creencias personales, los intereses personales y la autoestima. The second topic is la belleza y la estética, and within that they're going to talk about las definiciones de la belleza, las definiciones de la creatividad y el lenguaje y la literatura. The fourth topic they're going to cover is la vida contemporánea, and within that topic they may cover las tradiciones y los valores sociales, los estilos de vida y las relaciones personales. The fourth topic that they're going to cover within this unit could be la ciencia y la tecnología, and within that talking about los efectos de la tecnología en el individuo y en la sociedad, el acceso a la tecnología y la ciencia y la ética. The third unit is going to cover the influence of beauty and art. And again, within this unit, there are 4 topics with different subtopics. So the first one would be la belleza y la estética. And within this, they're going to cover la arquitectura, las definiciones de la belleza, y las artes visuales y escénicas. The second topic would be las identidades personales y públicas, which within that, they're going to cover la identidad nacional y la identidad étnica, la enajenación y la asimilación, y los héroes y los personajes históricos. The third topic they're going to cover is la vida contemporánea, and within that they're going to cover el entretenimiento y la diversión, los estilos de la vida, las tradiciones y los valores sociales. And the fourth topic within this unit will be las familias y las comunidades, and within that they're going to cover las tradiciones y los valores, la geografía humana, y la ciudadanía global. Finally, the topic of Unit 4 is how science and technology affect our lives. And again, within this, there are 4 different topics with subtopics. So the first one is la ciencia y la tecnología, and within that, they're going to cover el acceso a la tecnología, los efectos de la tecnología en el individuo y en la sociedad, y la ciencia y la ética. The second topic would be los desafíos mundiales. Within that, they're going to cover los temas económicos, los temas del medio ambiente, la población y la demografía, y el bienestar social. The third topic they're going to cover is la vida contemporánea, and within that, they're going to cover los estilos de vida, las tradiciones y los valores sociales, y el trabajo voluntario. Finally, the last topic they're going to cover within this unit is las identidades personales y públicas, and within that they're going to talk about la identidad nacional y la identidad étnica, la enajenación y la asimilación. So just to clarify on a couple things, we were almost done covering all 6 units. So you really have covered every topic that I have mentioned. I am just going to do more of a focus in the next several weeks on these specific themes, so that way you are fully prepared for your exam here in about a month. So today you're going to do an ed puzzle. You need to make sure that you follow the link and that you complete it. It's only, I think, 9 questions, and it's about las desastres naturales, which again would fall underneath los desafíos mundiales y los temas del medio ambiente. And so, again, anything that we're going to do from here on out is going to be under those focuses. We still don't know what exactly is going to be on this exam. Again, I should find out April 3rd. So if you have a question, please feel free to ask, and I will obviously keep you posted. Have a great spring break, and I miss you guys, and I'll talk to you later.